How to clear search history on YouTube 2025. Want to clear search history on YouTube, but not sure how? In this video, I'll show you how to delete your search history on the YouTube app. To delete your YouTube search history, open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the bottom menu. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Then tap Manage All History. You can tap the X beside an item in your history to remove it. Tap Delete to confirm. Or tap the X beside a date to remove all search history from that specific day. To delete history in bulk, tap Delete at the top. Then choose to delete history from today, from a custom date range, or tap Delete All Time to clear all your YouTube search and watch history from your account. Tap Delete at the bottom to confirm your selection. That's all it takes to clear your search history on YouTube. For more helpful YouTube tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.